/red. Week 34, day 1. We're going to grade that quiz from last time. Quiz 1.1 to 1.3, 1 through 8. And so let's start. 1. You have the absolute value of -8 is greater than 3. Number 2. 7 is equal to the absolute value of -7. Number 3. -6, -4, 3, absolute value of -4, absolute value of -5. Okay? Number 4 is -10, -8, absolute value of -9. Okay, that's fine. I'm recording. -9, 12, -15. Number 5, -11. Number 6, 12. Number 7, -6. And number 8 is 0. And I'll give you 2 each because I'm nice like that. So out of 16, write what you got, minus whatever, write it at the top of your page, make sure I can see it, and hand it in yesterday's or Thursdays. Okay, we're moving on to 1.4. So I'm on lesson 1.4, page 24. Okay, so we are multiplying. Okay, so this is where you need to know something. When you multiply, this equals a positive. A positive times a positive is a positive. Negative times a positive equals a negative. Positive times a negative equals a negative. A negative times a negative equals a positive. So if the signs match, it's positive. If they don't match, it's negative. So the first one, they say -5 times -6. So today, this is really what they're asking you. Can you understand that when the signs match, it's positive, and when they don't match, it's negative? So these are 2 negatives, so your answer is going to be positive. So 5 times 6 is 30. So the answer is 30. Okay, let's do another one. -8 times -12. The answers are both negative, so they match, so it's positive. 96. So it's just regular multiplication, but you have to watch. Do the signs match? Both negative signs, so then that equals a positive. If it was like 7 times 6, they're both positive, right? You can say, oh, that's positive, because there's no negative sign. So 7 times 6 is 42. Does that make sense? So if they're both negative, it's a positive. What if 3 times -4? When they're next to each other right here, this means really 3 times -4. That's really what it means when they're next to each other like that, okay? So there's only one negative, so the answer is negative. So 3 times 4 is 12. Let's do another one. -7 times 4. There's only one negative, so it is a negative answer. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay? Let's see. -5 times 7. How many negatives are there? Just one, so the answer is negative, and that's 35. 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, -1 times -9. Oh, not 19. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, so negative, that means the answer is positive. Okay, so 1 times 9 is 9. So your answer is 9. I always put the little positive sign, but when I grade it, I'm not going to put the little positive sign. We'll just not have a negative. Okay. Okay, so you guys, that's what we're doing today. So you're doing a lesson 1.4, 8 through 23. Okay, so that's your math for today. So have a great day. Bye.